Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video we'll discuss the first problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 313. It's an easy level problem, relatively easier than the other problems that you get. So it says that given two positive integers a and b, return the number of common factors of a and b. And an integer x is a common factor of a and b if x divides both a and b, right? There are certain examples. So if a is 12 and b is 6, so we have total 4 common factors that are 1, 2, 3 and 6. And similarly for 25 and 30 we have 2 common factors, 1 and 5, right? So yeah, not much of an explanation needed. What I've done, we have taken a variable answer equals to 0, and on line number 4 we are running a loop from 1 to mat.min of a and b, because obviously if there are two numbers, then the maximum common factor that we can have is will be equal to the minimum of a and b, right? So I goes from 1 to math.min of a and b, and on line number 5 we have checked that if I divides a and I divides b, that means that's a common factor. Just increment your answer and return the answer, right? So yeah, pretty easy stuff. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.